Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to use the standard Bitergia dashboards to start getting insights from your data. By following this example, you will be able to get insights from the collaboration between organizations in your favorite project. Before going on, let's have a look at some common questions we receive regarding the involvement of companies within a project and the relationship between them. The most basic question is about how companies are collaborating. Wait a minute. Are you sure they are really collaborating? They could be working in different repositories without a lot of interaction, or in an opposite scenario, they could be working in the same repositories or even files. Do you know if any of the components of the project are led by a single company? Now, let's see how one of my colleagues uses the Bitergia Analytics platform to get the metrics we need to answer these questions. So, let's start.
Now we are focusing on collaboration among companies. In order to identify the collaboration between companies in the community, we can use a network chart like the one you see in the screen right now. Let's focus on a single project, in this case Grimoire Lab. Let's add this filter, and then the network chart gets updated. Then you see a network chart like this. Let's see how to read this chart. In this network chart, you will see two different types of nodes: circle nodes and rectangle nodes. Circle nodes represent organizations. Rectangle nodes represent repositories. In this case, circle nodes represent organizations, and the size represent the amount of active contributors for that organization. Then, the thickness of the edge linking a repository and organizations represent the amount of contributions from that organization to that repository. Now we can focus on interesting parts of this network. For instance, let's zoom in. You can see some organizations and some repositories they have been contributing to. If we focus on one of the repositories, you can see the organizations that contributed to it by following the edges linked to other organization nodes. This way we can find which organizations are contributing to which repositories. The thickness of the edge between an organization and a repository represents the amount of contributions from that organization to that repository.
Continue to the next lesson and learn specifics on how to use the platform. Thanks for watching.